If you've been waiting for a sign to get organized, boost your productivity, and finally take control of your work and personal life, this is it. It's time to start learning Notion. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's an all-in-one workspace where you can manage projects, track tasks, take notes, plan your goals, and even collaborate with your team. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or professional, Notion helps you stay focused by keeping all your information in one place and reducing the chaos of scattered apps and sticky notes. One of the best things about Notion is its flexibility. You can start simple, with a basic notes page or to-do list, and gradually build advanced systems like project trackers, databases, and habit trackers. Notion also offers templates for almost everything, which makes it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Another game-changing feature is Notion AI, which can help you summarize notes, draft content, brainstorm ideas, and even generate task lists, saving you hours of work every week. By learning Notion, you're not just organizing your life, you're creating workflows that work for you, making productivity feel effortless. So, if you've been hesitating, consider this your sign to start today. Explore the app, experiment with templates, and customize it to fit your needs. With consistent use, Notion can transform how you manage your time, projects, and creativity. If this video inspired you to start using Notion, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment sharing what you plan to organize first in Notion.